Welcome to my Slow English podcast channel. Here are 50 simple and useful English words with clear explanations and easy examples. Good for daily learning. 50 English words with explanation. 1. Learn. Get new knowledge. I learn English every day. 2. Teach. Help someone learn. She teaches English. 3. Speak. Say words with your voice. I speak English. 4. Listen. Hear and understand. Listen to the teacher. 5. Read. Look at words and understand. I read a book. 6. Write. Put words on paper or screen. I write sentences. 7. Practice. Do something many times. Practice makes you better. 8. Improve. Make something better. I improve my skills. 9. Understand. Know the meaning. I understand you. 10. Explain. Make something clear. Please explain again. 11. Ask. Say a question. I ask for help. 12. Answer. Reply to a question. I answer correctly. 13. Help. Make things easier. Can you help me? 14. Need. Must have. I need time. 15. Want. Would like to have. I want food. 16. Like. Enjoy something. I like music. 17. Love. Like very much. I love my family. 18. Try. Make an effort. Try again. 19. Start. Begin. Start now. 20. Finish. End. I finish my work. 21. Continue. Keep going. Continue studying. 22. Stop. End an action. Stop talking. 23. Think. Use your mind. I think a lot. 24. Know. Have information. I know this word. 25. Remember. Keep in your mind. I remember you. 26. Forget. Not remember. I forget sometimes. 27. Good. Nice or positive. This is good. 28. Bad. Not good. This is bad. 29. Easy. Not difficult. English is easy. 30. Hard. Difficult. This test is hard. 31. Big. Large size. It is a big house. 32. Small. Not big. I have a small bag. 33. Fast. Quick. He runs fast. 34. Slow. Not fast. Please speak slow. 35. New, not old. I have a new book. 36. Old, not new. This is an old house. 37. Day, time with light. Have a good day. 38. Night, time with dark. Good night. 39. Time, hours and minutes. I need more time. 40. Work, job or effort. I work every day. 41. Rest, stop working. I rest after work. 42. Home, place you live. I go home. 43. Food, things you eat. The food is good. 44. Water, drink for life. Drink water. 45. Money, used to buy things. I save money. 46. Today, this day. Today is Monday. 47. Tomorrow, next day. I study tomorrow. 48. Always, every time. I always try. 49. Sometimes, not always. I sometimes forget. 50. Never, not at any time. I never stop learning.